Hello, welcome to another episode of Drink Theory.
Today, we will be explaining if you can make seawater drinkable.
It is possible to make seawater into drinkable water by heating it up and collecting the vapor and letting it drip down. This is called desalination.
Another way is by suspending a tarp or plastic sheet above the saltwater, then placing a jar in the center, and then putting a rock on the tarp, then eventually the water evaporates and drips in the jar.
Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.
Goodbye.
We post new videos every Thursday. Bye.
I am the yapper of this drink theory.